Changing the angle or direction of your tool can dramatically reduce effort and protect the subfloor during floor tile removal. When you adjust the angle of a chisel or pry bar, you change how force transfers into the adhesive and the tile. Start at a shallow angle to slide under grout lines and pry up flexible tiles, then progressively increase the angle to concentrate force under rigid tiles so they pop off cleanly. Position your body so your arms and legs provide steady leverage rather than relying on wrist torque to avoid fatigue and loss of control. When small pieces fracture, shift the tool direction parallel to the fracture to lift larger intact sections instead of prying at fragments. For stubborn adhesive, use a flatter angle with a wider blade to shear the glue layer rather than pry it, which reduces gouging of the substrate. Always test your chosen angle on a small representative area to confirm you are removing tile without damaging the subfloor, and adjust as needed. Common mistakes are using a single fixed angle that chips tiles into many small pieces, which increases cleanup time and risks underlayment damage. Switch between shallow and steep angles and aim to lift whole tiles. Another error is poor body positioning that causes rapid fatigue and sloppy control. Stand with feet braced and use leg and core muscles for consistent leverage. A third issue is not testing technique first, which leads to repeated mistakes across the floor. Try a small patch, observe how tiles and adhesive respond, then replicate the successful angle and direction across larger areas. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a community where people share experience and ask practical questions about techniques like tool angles for tile removal. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community to exchange tips, trades, tricks, and project photos.